Hi guys, look who it is. My grandson. Shaves. My grandson Elijah, yeah, the EC shares. Now Elijah started a YouTube channel up about 2 years ago called the EC Shaves, but with school, and he's been doing his SATs and doing exams, and he starts big school in a couple of months. He's had to put it on hold, but he started it up again, and he's got a couple of shaves up there. So if you're inclined, go over, check him out, give him a sub. Tell him John Shaves 101 sent you. We've got to encourage the younger generation. He loves wet shaving. He loves his fragrances. He loves his granddad's shaving channel. Okay, time for the shave, yeah? Mm-hmm. Enjoy the shave, and we will see you next time. Bye.
Bye.
Hi guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Hey, look at this. What's going on? Well, I nearly cut my arm off. Well, I did actually. It was hanging on by a thread. As you can see by there, I'm left-handed. Big butcher's knife, and I sharpened it. Guys, if you turned it upside down and dropped a hair and just let the hair go like a cartoon, when it hit the blade, it would have split in half. It was so sharp. I was so proud of myself. So I'm holding. I'll see if I can get. I can. Yeah. Oh. Let me see. Oh no. Okay. My hands are lettuce, right? So I'm holding the lettuce like that. I'm just resting my thumb on the chopping board. So I'm holding it like this. Yeah. And I come with a knife and I go. End of my thumb. Clean off. I've got pictures, I won't put pictures in. Basically, if I hold my thumb up like that, it's this side. So it goes all nice and round till it gets about there, then it's just gone, lopped off, and I had to go to the hospital. I'll talk a bit more about it during the shave. It's gonna be a flyer, battery's running low, hands, that's throbbing when I put this on because it's tight. It's throbbing, but we've got to keep that bandage dry. Okay. Brush, there you go, look at this, 26mm, one of my favourite brushes. This is a Francois Bossé 26mm. I think it's called the Green Cavern. There's no other brushes made, other brushes like this, but every brush he makes is unique. I got that one, we'll put it in the official John Shaves Super Soaker. Okay, next, PAA Meta4 razor, very kindly gifted to me by Scouse Ian. This is an exceptional shaver, guys, an exceptional shaver. I'll show you if I can get them there, get them the right way up. Can you see the numbers there on the bottom? Actually, while I remember, let's lock that focus. And we're going to be putting in that with his PAA and all things star bound laser. We're going to go with a laser blade. These are pretty good blades actually, guys. I've got these, and I've got another laser in a slightly different wrapping. I'm gonna have to be careful here because I've got virtually no grip at all with this hand, so things are going to get a bit precarious. That's what it says there. Laser Ultra triple coated edges. Okay, let's have a look how he's all doing. Oh guys, talk about mini dramas. Then we'll get that in there. We'll get that in there. Yeah. I picked my arm up and I carried it up to the hospital and got treated. There you go. Can you see that? Good shave. We'll put that in there. So if I'm a bit subdued, it'd probably be the 9 pints of blood that I lost. There you go. Good old Floid. Look, I'm loving this, guys. I'm loving this vetiver. This is good stuff, and it smells really nice. Interesting point on sense of smell as well when I was at the hospital. I'll tell you as we go on. And then as you've seen by the thumbnail, look at what we've got. We've got the Droid soap splash. Look at that, only used once, guys, and I used so little. You see from there all the way down to there, that was used just before I came in here. I'm looking at the scent notes, and what I do, no intent to deceive, I look at what the scent notes are on the website, and then I'll put a bit of splash in the back of my hand, and I'll wait till it dries, and I'll get the soap in this hand, and I'll smell the soap, and I'll read the scent profile, and I'll smell my hand, and I'll read the scent profile, and I see what it is in that scent profile I can pick up. Do you know, that's the way that works for me. Some people say, well, if you're picking them up, you don't pick them up, you shouldn't look at the scent profile. Doesn't matter. That's how I do it, and that's how I pick up. And what I pick up is I pick up fruits, caramel and vanilla. Very much from this, very, very strong from this, not so strong from the soap, as you would expect. But here we go, all that there. Tink, tink, tink. Thought it had a restrictor in it, it didn't. I'm looking at it and I went like that, and it just went all over the back of my hand in the bedroom. So the whole bedroom smells like Droid now. Look at all that, look, I'm absolutely seething. There you go. There's the pour. There's the pour. Okay, we'll put that down there for now. Look, gotta hold it differently now, look. Oh dearie me. Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements Droid Black. Scent profile. Top notes of citrus, fruity, floral. I picked up the fruity notes. Mid notes of patchouli, caramel and vanilla. I picked up the caramel and the vanilla. And that's a strange one. Sometimes I get more vanilla than caramel, and the next time I smell it I get more caramel than vanilla. Base notes of wood, musk and amber. There may be a hint of amber. Maybe a hint of amber. But that's where we're at. It's going to be a quick shave. Batteries on something like 9%. Nothing else could go wrong this week. Ethiopian Sidamo coffee. What's your slurp of the day, guys? I'm going to shave of the day. Tell me what your slurp of the day is. It's this by day, jam shed by night. And boy, am I ready for my jam shed. Oh yeah. Oh, just a minute. What happened there? Oh yeah. Wow, that's nice. That's very, very fruity. Anyway, well, I'm just gonna go and do everything with one hand, guys. I'm kind of not risking. I've got a bit of just. I'm kind of not risking getting anything wet on there. Here we go. So it's going to be a John's arm fell off shave. Ready? We'll get that in there. I love. You know this is going to be a performer duck. This is a very, very soft, one of Doug's softest. It's not a different formula or anything. It just must be the ingredients that make up the scent or something have done that to it. But it is a very, very soft sort. Look. Okay. Yeah, so I went to the hospital, A&E, to our friend stateside, the ER, emergency. I went to A&E. Over here, guys, it's called A&E Accidents and Emergencies. And wow, look at the more water. And the triage nurse looked at it. And said, you need to see somebody else about this over there in the clinic. They sent me over to the clinic. So I walked over to the clinic. They asked me where the tip of my finger was. I said, I threw it in the bin, threw it in the garbage, you know. It's not good now, is it? So I went over, waited there for 4 hours. I was the last one. First one in, I walked in, it was empty. About 48 people came in after me. They all got seen to and went, I was the last one. And it had been empty for about 15 minutes when I just stood up and said to the receptionist, excuse me, have I missed something here? She went, no, we're waiting for the nurse needs time to sort your stuff out. Anyway, in walks this nurse. Have any of you seen the movie Frozen? Elsa. Oh, aye. There she came walking in. She says, come on, John. And basically what they had to do, they cleaned it all up and then they put this dressing on it that's solidified. They fold it and put it on the thing. And they said, we'll wrap that up now in a bandage and that will solidify. And you will go home and come back tomorrow. So I went back tomorrow to see the same nurse, and I'll give you a note for you to hand the receptionist when you come tomorrow, and they'll make sure you see me. I think she might have had a crush or something, you know. I get it all the time. Anyway, I went back the next morning. They had to put my hand in like a brown watery solution, Caldestat or Candestat or something it was called, and that was going to soften everything up so they could take the solid bandage off. So I took the solid bandage off, put a new dressing on it, and they've referred me to the district nurse. So the nurse phoned me yesterday, and I've got to go 7:10 on Monday evening. I've got to go to a walk-in centre the next time along, and the nurse will be waiting for me to change the dressing. And come on, let's get that in there. Look, it's a thirsty one, this, isn't it, guys? I don't remember this being this thirsty. I think I collected a little bit too much on the brush. So anyway, yeah, that was what happened. Shredding lettuce. And I mean, Kim Gray with the lettuce and the vegetables. Told you it was dangerous. Anyway, as I'm rolling around on the floor, almost drowning in my own blood, my wife looked at me and said, I'll finish off this half of the lettuce. And she did. So I threw the tip of my finger in the bin and I went up to the hospital. And all I could think about in A&E was, she's going to have my ham. You've got to have my ham. Because we were having salad sandwiches. I'm getting distracted here. We're having salad sandwiches and we got 4 salads, last pack of ham and the last pack of turkey. So I said, we'll have 2 turkey each and 2 ham each. And my wife said, but I want ham. I said, yes, and I want ham too. So the easiest way of sorting it out is if we just have 2 ham and 2 turkey each on the sandwich. I could see she wasn't happy about that. Anyway, when I got back, she'd done her sandwich and had 3 slices of ham and 1 turkey. And I got 3 turkey and 1 ham. So as I'm drowning in my own blood on the floor like something out of Conan the Barbarian, all she's doing is looking at my ham thinking, haha, gotcha. Oh my word. Anyway. Work have been great. I'm probably going to go in work. Let's clean this up. I'm all at 6s and 7s. I'm probably going to go in work Monday. Because they're a pretty decent bunch of guys. They're just going to have to... Let's wet that brush again, though. They're just going to have to put me on light duties, aren't they? Because the minute I touch anything with it... I mean, even now, just having this glove on... Oh... I went in work Tuesday. I came over and worked Tuesday evening. I didn't have a shower. I was sorting some stuff out on the computer. By the time I realised it was 11 o'clock, I'll have a shower tomorrow. Came home Wednesday, I thought I'll have my sandwich and then I'll have a shower. And then I cut my finger off and I was at hospital all night. Anyway, got up Thursday morning, put one of these on the lovely shiny new bandage. The first bandage they put on, I couldn't have got this on. It was like a cartoon, big, massive, honestly huge, big, like a Looney Tunes thing. But they took that off and put this one on. So I put this glove on, jumped in the shower Thursday when I got up, and when I took it off, I could feel it. I can feel it now. I can feel it starting to throb now. And when I took it off, the blood had seeped through the bandage. So, oh, that's where we're at, guys. Oh, I'll tell you what. If I cut myself shaving after that, I've got to be like, is that it? Eh? Mr. Razor Blade, is that the best you've got? Oh. So let me know. What your shaves of the day are. And let me know what your slurp of the day is. They didn't give me any painkillers. And to be honest, I haven't taken any painkillers because, believe it or believe it not, I do actually have quite a high tolerance for pain. So even when it happened, I was okay. Honest, I wasn't rolling around on the floor screaming. I didn't even cry. Well, not in front of my wife anyway. Okay. Oh God, it feels disgusting. Look. Leather mittens. I'm getting my leather mittens in. Look. Like, see what I mean? I can feel that now. The slightest touch. I don't even know why I'm doing it because I can't even feel anything with that hand. Yeah, but it's just the usual suspects. So it's a bit of a hampered shave today. Oh my word, look. Get all this off, look. Do you know, don't we take skin for granted? Don't we? We do. We take skin for granted. Oh, here we go. Right. And that's it. So, thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking with me. My invalid one arm shave. Hopefully. Well, I'll be honest with you. I think it's going to be this glove jobby for a couple of weeks yet. I'm trying to ignore it and hope it goes away, but just every now and again I'll get that sting and that throb. And it reminds me that it's still in town. Here we go. You wouldn't believe. You just would not believe how it hampers you. Look, see how fast that, look at that. Absolute gallons of it. Absolute gallons of that count. Which I don't mind. I liked it when the restrictor was built in to the old glass bottles. There you go. Here we go. We'll put some of this on. Oh my. The vetiver on the rubber glove, look. Oh my word. This is ridiculous. Oh man, look. Vetiver on the rubber glove. Right. But, do you know, I actually wasn't going to put a shave out. I wasn't, but then I thought, do you know what? The guys that watch my video would actually quite appreciate the effort. Because I know you guys and I know how kind and thoughtful you are. Thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking with me. I will see you on Wednesday. Might have something a bit special in the offing. So look after yourselves. It depends how it goes. And I will see you all on Wednesday for another fingerless Wednesday shave. Bye.